Okay, so I just want to make a quick video on how to solve this error. So you're trying to fetch your data. So that's my app. I'm trying to fetch data, and it's just giving me the error. And that's my server in here. So this happens because you're not allowed to fetch data from the same site. It's called same website policy, right? So if you have, let's say, abc.com, you cannot fetch API from abc.com if you are on abc.com. So right now you're on localhost and you're trying to fetch data from localhost API. It's not allowed, right? So there is a way to fix it. So the way to do that is you go to your server, all right? Then you go npm install and CORS, right? So this installs the CORS thingy. Next you need to do is const CORS require CORS, right? I think that's the way to do it. And then finally you need to do app.use. I think it's CORS, and that's something like this, I think, right? And then I think you should start the server again. So node mon server.js, right? So now it's running. And in theory, they should have fixed this thing now, right? Let me just double check. Okay, so if we restart, yeah, there you go, you see? Now you can fetch data. Take care.